Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Norma Galloway, Savvy Zen Organizer, Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I'm looking at some storage items in Burlington Coat Factory. There's some different options as opposed to using bins for your same kind of storage items, clothing, toiletries, toys, any kind of magazines and things like that. Anything that you have in your home. You can also use decorative containers, bins, and baskets just to give it a more pleasing look to the eye and just to make it more fun to watch, to look at. So this way it don't look like so much clutter in the home. You'd want to make sure you're decluttering and sorting and trashing and donating items. So when you're doing those things and you place your keep pile back into the storage system in your home, you want to make sure that it looks good and it can be something that you can maintain. I love the baskets and things like that because I can use these baskets for anything around the house that I need to store. Towels, even if I want to go into the office and place things in containers. If I'm in the bathroom, I may need some more storage for toiletries and towels, so I would use something like this to place in a little corner. Don't take up much space. And these are great for also hair products and things of that nature. And you should always have yourself a little caddy for your cleaning products so it's easy to pick up and move around the house. And this just goes in your sink to keep it from getting dirty. And that is why I love to go into the stores and just take a look at what's new on the market and what's trending, and just to see what other options are for storage. I love my plastic containers and bins with the lids, but I also want decorative pieces in the home to make it look more fashionable, shabby chic kind of style. So to just multi-purpose tasks, multi-purpose use of items. So the house still looks decluttered, but beautiful at the same time. So that is why I love to shop in the stores. But, I didn't purchase anything. This is just me showing you guys some different options of how you can use these things. This could be for your jewelry, You could come up with so many ideas of how to use these items, and they're not very expensive. And you can just pick and choose and buy what you need at the time, and then always go back to the store and find matching sets, because they don't stop making these items, and they just keep changing colors or whatever. But you can also mix and match the colors. It don't have to be so matchy. And you'd always want to add a little zen to your home. That's my personal opinion. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Savvy Zen Organizer, and my website is savvyzenorganizations.com. You can book appointments online there and take a look at some more information about my services. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye now.